Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo.
Hi everyone! Welcome back! It's me again, Irene. Welcome to another episode of Laag ni Irene. So today we are here at I Love Jose. Ano ba yan? I Love Jose! Pasensya na guys, hindi kasi mabasa yung karugtong. Actually, we are here at I Love Jose DALMAN. So we are having a quick New Year's Laag today. Tinitingnan namin kung ano ang kanilang mga decoration last Christmas. And now it's New Year's already, but the decoration are still intact. Maganda pa rin, walang nasisira. So, let's proceed guys! Ano tanawa sang kadangag wala ko kadala Saray uy naada yung tao-tao din naada yung mga ligid. So ito guys, banda rito ito ay kalsada paakyat sa munisipyo. Nilalagyan nila ng mga decoration na lights na parang arco. Mas maganda ito tingnan kung sa gabi. Pero kahit maaraw, maganda namang tingnan. So yan ang kanilang aura for their Christmas decor for this season. Maraming nagbabago. I was here before. It's not Christmas time. Pero yung ibang mga parts dito, ganun na. Pero maraming nadagdag katulad na yung mga upuan doon sa unahan. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga nadagdag na highlights for their plaza. Uy, ibalhin mo ng bangko, di man na diha. Meron na silang fountain, pink fountain. Pagdating namin, kaka-off lang ng fountain nila. So, sayang hindi namin nasilayan kung ano ang itsura nito kung naka-on ito. This upuan, yung kamay na upuan, hindi yan dati nakalagay doon sa kabila. Nailipat na dyan. At saka merong nadagdag itong pa-heart dito. Bago to. Maganda. At saka I have lots of photos here. Skip mo na. So these cemented chairs and tables, bago din ito. Napakaganda. Attractive na decoration, magandang tambayan at saka pwede ding kainan. Nice table. Nice too. I forgot my GoPro. My GoPro, walay memory card na limtan. Unsa na yung kadangag.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back. into the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't as old. But you fill me up, and I can feel it now.